Hi, my name is Don, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about coriander oil, remembering that all the information given here was taken from the official website. Any questions you have, leave a comment or contact us via WhatsApp for more information. I have some important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about coriander oil is that you should be careful about the site you have been searching about, because coriander oil has been the subject of several fakes. I left the link to the official website in the description of this video. This ensures you get reliable information. In addition, on the official website you will find several real testimonials from people who have used it and what their real results were. On the website, at the end of the page, you will also find all the references, articles, and sources on which the production of coriander oil was inspired. It is important that you visit the official product page to know about the refund policy, terms of use, and privacy. Also check out the most frequently asked questions by customers and get support. Remember, coriander oil is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, consult your physician before using this product. So, what is coriander oil, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes. Coriander oil is a powerful and versatile essential oil that can benefit your overall health and beauty in countless ways. Extracted from the seeds of the Coriandrum sativum plant, this oil is packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a natural remedy for a variety of ailments. One of the most notable benefits of coriander oil is its ability to support a healthy digestive system. Its natural properties aid in the relief of stomach discomfort and can even help to reduce bloating and gas. It's also great for the skin. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, it can help soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Coriander oil is also a great natural remedy for hair care. Its high levels of antioxidants and vitamins nourish the scalp and strengthen the hair, making it an ideal oil for those looking to improve the overall health of their hair. But the benefits don't stop there. Coriander oil is also known to have a positive effect on the immune system, making it an excellent oil to use during cold and flu season. Its natural properties can help to boost the immune system and keep you feeling your best. And if that wasn't enough, coriander oil has a unique and pleasant aroma which makes it a popular choice in aromatherapy. Its natural properties can provide a calming and soothing effect on the mind and body, making it an ideal oil to use during meditation or yoga practice. All of these benefits and more in one little bottle of coriander oil. It's 100% pure, cold-pressed, and organic, making it a safe and natural option for those looking to enhance their wellness routine. It's a versatile and powerful oil that can be used in a variety of ways, from aromatherapy to cooking to skincare. Don't wait to experience the many benefits of coriander oil. Try it today and see the difference it can make in your life. With coriander oil you will get the following benefits. Excellent for a healthy digestive system. Antibacterial and antifungal properties. Impressive anti-inflammatory properties. Supports the body's natural detoxification. Boosts cellular function and DNA repair. Of course, it's nothing magical, but when combined with a good lifestyle, it immediately accelerates the process and other health benefits. Also, for coriander oil to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see that initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, coriander oil has no side effects. That's because your formula consisting of crucial components natural. The formula contains natural ingredients such as coriander seed oil and many others natural elements rich in great properties 100% of natural origin. Check the label and certificate on the product on the website. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with coriander oil and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a very unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Guarantee. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test coriander oil for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Remember to buy safely. Your payment will be processed by the Activation Products platform, secure platform for online payment. Fill in your details correctly and receive all instructions by email or cell phone. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy coriander oil from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped helped you, and I also hope that coriander oil actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thanks for watching the video, and see you at the official website of Coriander Oil for more information and details. Big hug, and until next time.